All right. For those that watch our triangles showing imbalances, blue for buying imbalances, pink for selling imbalances, take a look. Market we know is coming down. If you're looking to get out of a short or open up a long, you're a buyer. If you get a blue triangle showing you the price just left an area and looked over its shoulder and seen more buyers than sellers, which is what you need for the price to go up, more buyers and sellers, right? Another thing happens here, though. You start to get more shorts than longs, indicative of this green line turning red. Boom. Imbalance of more buyers who want to buy it versus sellers who want to sell it. That should be your trigger to either get long if you're bullish or get out of a short if you're short. Not just because it's going to work, because all the things make sense with respect to what you need for price to go up. Now, here's what also happens. You get a sell imbalance. You're still in this trade. You get the second blue triangle. You then get a red laser, green to red. You could breach the sell imbalance, which means price getting above it doesn't have the imbalance anymore. It's a rabbit sticking his head out of the hole and not seeing the raccoon. Boom, he makes a run for it. That's what happened right here. Back to back area that the buyers are coming in to try to buy, but they're not getting filled. So many people are just used to looking at where buyers and sellers shake hand and get filled. And then they look at their dome and it's a bunch of numbers and they try to filter this out and that out. And you miss the most simplistic, not technique, but dynamic is a better word, that has to take place for the price to go up. At some point, you got to see buyers jump in and want to buy it and they don't get filled. Whoa. Now we're talking. You see the laser goes red, which means more shorts and longs. And that's an additional, if there's more shorts, there's more buyers that have to come to cover that short position. That's where more future buyers could come from. Price goes up. This is reading order flow as real time as we can make it. And every iteration of new feature that's put on this has everything to do with identifying buyers and sellers and then comparing them to each other, identifying longs and shorts and then comparing them to each other, identifying the average price that people are short from, that's our red PWAP, the average price people are long from over the last hour, that's our green dotted line here. And then all these are just profiles of this data that we're collecting about longs versus shorts and triangle profile, where and what price is highlighting some interest. And you think about price is what we're trying to predict, but if you just think of price being something that's like tangible and it's just moving around, looking around, what does it want to do? And then when a bunch of people stand up and they're buyers and there aren't people standing up that are sellers, you get a blue triangle. And that's the exact dynamic that you need for the price of anything to go up.